Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I will show you the avatar look hack in Dress to Impress. In this DTI tutorial, we are revealing the secret hack to turn your avatar blue, all without needing VIP access. So this is the avatar look that I just created, and I'm going to show you how you can create this one. So first, for the hair, you can use this. You can go to the braids category first and use this long braids here. I'm going to color it dark brown color and go to the bangs category and use these bangs in the same color. And here, put on this hair with the same color, this hair, and lastly this hair is right here. Okay, so once you're done with the hair, you can start with the outfits. Here I'm going to use some of the Valentine's update items, this here, this jewelry, and color it like this, like a bronze color. And also this one on the neck with the same color. Now I'm going to go to the men's section and use this suspender and color it the same. And now you are just going to the dresser here. And then just put on this skirt, but turn off or remove the ribbons, and you can use this color in here for the waistband. And for the layers, this one but in more dark color. Then you can also use this axe, but toggle it into axe, change the color to bronze and the gems into green. So that's it. So now your avatar look is ready. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.